Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today is 4th May 2022. My name is TSV Raghavan and I live in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. I am a published author with Amazon Kindle and paperback, and I write on spiritualism, fiction, and assorted subjects. Spiritualism happens to be my favorite subject. I spend a lot of time in contemplation and meditation, and I come up with several theories, views, or opinions which I wish to share with you through these videos in my YouTube channel. Today, I wish to talk about one of those views. We already know that there are four layers of human body, namely causal intelligence, astral mind, etheric senses, and the gross body. Depending upon the vibrations from etheric senses, astral mind, and causal intelligence, the gross body reacts and the behavior pattern of a particular human being who has that gross body is known to the society and the universe outside in this material world. That means the behavioral patterns of a human being are based on the vibrations that his gross body takes from etheric senses, astral mind, and causal intelligence. Further, these four layers of human body are directly connected with the seven chakras of Kundalini which we are discussing and which we have already discussed four. Now, according to me, the vibrations caused by these bodies are the ones that decide on how the Kundalini chakra of any living particular human being will react or shape up. Now, we have talked about four, and today we will talk about the next fifth Vishuddhi chakra and the sixth Agna chakra. Now, Vishuddhi chakra is activated by Jnana Yoga and Agna chakra is activated by Dhyana Yoga. Vishuddhi chakra of Jnana Yoga is directly connected with the Jnana Loka of the heavenly planet, and similarly the Ajna chakra of Dhyana Yoga is directly connected to the Tapa Loka in the heavenly planets. Both Jnana and Tapa are cerebral in nature. Hence, the question of their taking vibrations from etheric body and etheric senses is ruled out. These are cerebral and hence they will talk only about logic and maybe feelings and emotions in the jnana level. That is, the Vishuddhi chakra of jnana yoga may take on some occasions vibrations from the feelings and emotions of the astral mind, but mainly it takes vibrations from the causal intelligence only. Similarly, the Ajna chakra, which is activated by Dhyana yoga, will take vibrations only from the causal intelligence and the logic that goes with it. Now we have discussed about the layers of human body and their relationship with the Kundalini chakra. Another theory of mine, which I have only contemplated after drawing from my age old subconscious memory, is about a word called lands. It is a 5 letter word, LANDS. Now, how is it important? Actually, these 5 words, letters of a word, decide on the climate or otherwise of a particular area. That is, the climate of any particular area is caused by this 5 letter word. How? I'll tell you. L, latitude. The latitude in which a particular area falls decides on the climate, or it affects the climate of a place, like Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator, and other latitudes decide on the climate of a particular place. That is not all. The other thing is altitude. Altitude means the height from the sea level. That is known as altitude. Any area or areas which share the same latitude may have different climates or weather according to the altitude of that particular area. A mountainous area in the same latitude will have different climate than that which is in the plains. They say that Cuba and Hong Kong lie in the same latitude but both have very different climates. Third cause of the climate is nearer to the sea, that is, nearness to the sea, that is, a place which is near the sea has a different climate than that which is landlocked or mountainous. That is, as close as a particular place is with the sea, the climate of that area will be affected by the currents and winds blowing from the sea. The hot currents, the cold currents, the weather, the storms, the hurricane, twister, etc. affect a particular place which is nearer the sea or water body. As for example, those places which are affected by tsunami, hurricanes, rains, etc., are more close to the sea than those which are not. That is why the climate is different. Fourth is distance from the mountains. A place which is very, very close to the mountain will have a very different climate from that which is far away from the mountain. Those which are situated at the top of the mountain have extreme temperate weather, as well as those which are at the foothill of a mountain experience extreme heat or extreme cold, as the case may be. Fifth is soil. The soil decides on the weather of a particular area. Example, a desert affects the weather of those places which are situated in the desert, like the Arab countries, Thar Desert, etc., which have very hot days and very cold nights. This is something that we should remember, that is, the latitude, the altitude, the nearness to the sea, the distance from the mountains, and soil are the main reasons for the weather or climate of a particular area according to geography. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. If you feel that I'm talking sense, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you of my other videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.